Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this. Check this out. This is a vegetarian chili I got. And check this out, from Lodge, so triple bean veggie chili. And if you look here, here's the nutrient. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. And here are the ingredients. If you look, oh, let me focus, come on. So it says water, tomatoes, red beans, chickpeas, black beans, textured wheat protein. So it does have protein. They do include protein in this. Zucchini, jalapeno peppers, but yeah, hemp seeds are in here. So if you look at the protein content, it's got 14 grams. So we're gonna cook this up, and I'll do a quick taste test. So stay tuned. All right, guys, it's all done here. Check this out. So it actually looks like it has meat in there, but it isn't. That's that wheat protein. So let's do a quick taste test. It's actually quite good. Probably needs a little bit more salt, but taste-wise, it's actually quite good. Very aromatic. The wheat protein in there doesn't taste like meat at all. It just tastes like you put crackers in there, pretty much. So it is thick. It's actually not bad taste-wise. It doesn't have really a lot of heat or anything like that, so it's very mild. But it needs probably a little bit of salt. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.